5-minute craft. Welcome to Nowasys, where data meets innovation. Nowasys is a dynamic data-driven company with a clear mission to empower businesses to thrive. The goal of Nowasys: to help businesses optimize their strategies, engage their audiences, and ride the digital wave to success. But what's the buzz about a 5-minute crafts? 5-minute crafts, a YouTube channel owned by Nowasys Publishing, has captivated audiences worldwide with its creative and practical content. Let's dive into Telltale's origin and journey. Founders: the channel was launched in November 2016 by Russian developers Pavel Radev and Marat Mukhomedov. Content creation: initially, they founded the channel Brightside and later expanded to create 5-minute crafts. Focus: 5-minute crafts specializes in DIY projects, crafts, and life hacks that are easy to follow and execute. Content overview: deep rejects. The channel features excessive fun and quick DIY ideas. From home decor to organization hacks, they cover it all. Life hacks: viewers can learn clever tricks for everyday tasks, such as folding clothes efficiently or repurposing household items. Crafts: 5-minute crafts demonstrates various crafting techniques, including paper crafts, jewelry making, and more. Kitchen hacks: they share innovative ways to simplify cooking and kitchen-related chores like frozen grapes for chilly drinks instead of ice cubes. Use frozen grapes to chill your drinks. They won't dilute your beverage as they melt. Plus, they're a refreshing snack during summer. Milkshake magic with almost empty jars. When your Nutella, peanut butter, or jam jars are nearly empty, add some milk to the jar. Screw the lid back on tightly. Shake it for a minute or two. Voila! You've got a tasty homemade milkshake and used up those leftovers. Wooden spoon trick to prevent boil-overs. Place a wooden spoon across a boiling pot of water. Why it works: it acts as a natural repellent, stopping bubbles from rising. The cooler spoon temperature causes steam and bubbles to condense back into the water. Net worth: as of now, 5-minute crafts boasts a staggering net worth of approximately $22.66 in 2024. Their revenue primarily comes from advertising on YouTube, but they may also have additional income streams like sponsored content and product sales. In summary, 5-minute crafts has become a household name, providing viewers with practical solutions, creative inspiration, and a dash of fun. Nowasys is currently analyzing the data, uncovering hidden patterns from this valuable collection of information. Stay tuned for exciting insights. Conclusion: so, whether you're a startup, an established brand, or just a curious data enthusiast, keep an eye on Nowasys. They're turning data into actionable magic, one bite at a time. Remember, data isn't just information. It's power, and Nowasys wields that power with finesse.